Today we're gonna do a deep review of this little orange guy, the MXR Phase 90. I will do a full teardown to see what's inside, and also I'll show you an easy mod that will make this pedal sound much better and more versatile depending on which tone you choose. So the review is coming up right now. So here we are back with the MXR Phase 90, also identified as the block logo. It's quite a simple pedal, an unbalanced input jack, an AC input adapter, this unique big knob that controls the speed rate. Well, I'm a fan of big knobs, mostly if they are few, so you will not spend your lifetime tweaking the sound, you know? And obviously the unbalanced output jack. Alright, and the boring battery connector. First thing, you have to make some pull force to slide the knob out, and then you have to get some wrenches, as you can see, to unscrew the input-output jacks, the pot and the switch. They are 3 different measures. The board comes out sliding it in backside, carefully, and then you have it. This square sponge is used to absorb the battery movements and prevent it from scratching. Same thing with this small plastic ring, which is useful for protecting the power LED from rough guitarists as well. The battery connector is not soldered but removable with a 3-pin connector, which is nice, thumbs up for that. Oh, and don't forget, like me, the washer that goes on the pot inside the box, because the circuit board will not sit back right. This is the serial code, and also you can notice the board revision. Mine is E3. On the other side of the switch, you can see the factory date. This one is dated 2001, almost 20 years old, and the quality control sticker. I should also say something about this Trimpot. The MXR M101 does have one located at the top of the board. My suggestion is do not make an adjustment with it. You will make the pedal not function properly, considering that it is not an effect mix or intensity setting. It is just used by the factory to compensate for the component tolerances. If the pedal works, the Trimpot is set where it should be. If it's set anywhere else, there will be not good fizz effect. Okay, so let's start talking about this easy mod that I will make in just a little bit. But first guys, always clean your solder tip, like so. So this mod is called the R28 mod, or known as the script mod, because it will make the pedal sound more likely the vintage Phase 90 with the script logo. In the early 80s, MXR added a feedback path in the Phase 90 circuit with this R28 resistor, where some of the phased signal is feedback into the phasor section, so the effect will be stronger and more pronounced. As you can imagine, if you take the resistor out, the phasor will become smoother and sound more like the old ones. In order of that, I like to have this pedal be in the most versatile way possible. That's why I will go with a switch, so I can bypass the R28 resistor or come back stock whenever I need. Right there, in the bottom side of the board, I spotted almost 3 points of bad soldering from the factory, which isn't that bad, but if you treat these pedals roughly like me, you could have some connection problems. At the moment, I think I fully explained what I'm going to do, so let's get started. I hope you enjoyed the modification process of this famous phase effect. In conclusion, I'm very happy with the results, because in this way the MXR M101 is really more versatile. Alright, thanks a ton for watching, subscribe if you like it, and until next time, have a nice day and keep rolling!